Your social media feed has become a relentless parade of miracle cures and 5-minute fixes. Right now, the spotlight is burning bright on something called Paradsis Brightening Gel. The ads are aggressive. They follow you from app to app with promises of flawless skin in just a few weeks. It sounds like a dream. We all want that quick fix for dark spots or uneven tone. But your skin is a living organ. It is not a piece of paper you can just bleach white overnight. When you look at the website, it feels legitimate at first glance. They use all the right buzzwords. You see niacinamide listed near the top. This is a form of vitamin that helps with oil control and redness. Then they mention lactic acid. That is an alpha hydroxy acid used for gentle exfoliation. It helps shed dead skin cells to reveal the glow underneath. They also boast about hyaluronic acid and ceramides. These are the building blocks of hydration and a healthy skin barrier. Collagen is in there too for that useful bounce. It sounds like a perfect recipe. However, there is a massive gap between a list of ingredients and a finished product that actually works. The biggest red flag is the silence. If you go looking for real unpaid reviews, you hit a brick wall. There is no chatter on the big skincare forums. No one on the major community boards is sharing their before and after photos. In the skincare world, if a product is actually a game changer, people cannot stop talking about it. The lack of organic conversation suggests that most of the hype is manufactured. Then there are the sales tactics. The website is covered in countdown timers and massive discounts that seem to expire in minutes. These are high-pressure techniques meant to stop you from doing your research. They want you to feel the fear of missing out. They also offer a 60-day guarantee. While that sounds comforting, these offers are often buried under mountains of fine print. Getting a refund from a company with no established reputation is often more trouble than it is worth. I would not go as far as calling it a total scam, but the lack of transparency is a huge concern. We do not know the concentrations of these active ingredients. We do not know where it is manufactured or if it has been tested for stability. If you decide to take the plunge, be smart about it. Use a payment method that offers strong consumer protection. Do not just hand over your primary debit card details. Once the box arrives, perform a patch test on a small area of skin. Do not just slather it all over your face immediately. You need to see how your body reacts to the formula first. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. Real change takes time. It takes much longer than 14 days to see a true shift in pigmentation. Do not let a slick marketing campaign pressure you into a choice you might regret. Your skin is valuable and it deserves products backed by more than just targeted advertisements and ticking clocks. Stay skeptical and stay informed before you hit that buy button. Real beauty results come from consistency and proven formulas, not a 2-week miracle in a pretty jar that appeared in a pop-up. Keep your guard up and your wallet closed until you see some actual proof from real humans who have actually used the stuff. There are plenty of established brands with the same ingredients that do not rely on high-pressure sales tactics to get your attention. You have to ask yourself why this brand needs to push so hard if the product is as life-changing as they say. Trust your gut and do not rush into a purchase just because a timer is counting down. Your skin will thank you for being patient and doing the extra research.